Today's video. What is good, YouTube? It is your boy Xavier Ashton, aka AshtonRoyale, back here again with another sneaker video. And as you can see today, Jordan 4 A Ma Maniere. Beautiful box, beautiful packaging like always. Let's get into this. So first things first, we have here is the packaging. I swear, bro, when it comes to anything A Ma does with Jordan, it just doesn't miss with packaging. As you can see, beautiful packaging. You have the A Ma sleeve. You have the Jordan 4 box and that violet ore. Hold up real quick. I just had to grab the Jordan 3 box because like I said, anytime when you get a sneaker from this collaboration, it just feels like you're getting a premium sneaker just by the packaging itself. But for the most part, as you can see, it's similar packaging. So as you can see on the tag, the colorway of this silhouette is violet ore, medium ash black. I don't see cream on here, but I know there is some cream on here. And also, as you can see on the tag, I got my size, which is an 8.5. On the Jordan 3, I had to get a size 10 because it was a women's sneaker. The only thing with the Jordan 3 is because of that quilted like inlining, it kind of ran big. It didn't really fit snug. So I'm hoping, I know this has that quilted inlining too. I'm hoping these don't run as big because I put an insole on my Jordan 3 to make it like fit perfect. I hope I don't have to do it with this, but I don't care if I have to, but it's whatever. Quick 360 of the box without the sleeve to just show you guys the details of the box. All right, so this is gonna be my first time seeing these in person because I saw them on a whole bunch of reels, but I never saw them in person. Oh, wait a minute. A little artwork in the box top. All right, guys, here we go. And honestly, I'm not disappointed at all, man. These are a dope pair of kicks. Can we just talk about how just A Ma Maniere, every time when they drop something, it's like the same colorway, but how they just do it and how they maneuver with every silhouette, it just fits and it's just so perfect. Now, I would rank these two out of all the collabs. Of course, number one being the Jordan 3. The Jordan 3 was just, hold on. So we have here the Jordan 3 A Ma. This was definitely sneaker of the year last year. I probably only wore these like 3 times. As you can see, the bottoms are really not that dirty. But like I said, put an insole in it because they just ran big because of the quilted inline. But man, this sneaker is just so beautiful. It's hard to top this. Like the Jordan 1, the Jordan 2, they were dope. But if I had to rank it, it would definitely be the Jordan 3, the Jordan 4, and then probably the Jordan 1 and then the Jordan 2 being last. I'm really not a fan of Jordan 2s. But yo, it's hard to top this. But I'm a Jordan 4 like fanatic. And this is honestly, this is dope, man. It's just subtle. Like I said, they use that same kind of color palette and it just works. I don't know how, but it just works for at least every silhouette and it just looks so damn dope. As you can see, we got the Nike Air on the back, so it's like that vintage feel. You got your A Ma logo right here with the flight, so no Jumpman. I know on the Jordan 3, it had the A Ma on the left, and then I think on the right pair of the sneaker, yeah, on the right pair you have your Jumpman. It also comes with a shoe tag, which is pretty dope. I hope that's focusing on the tag and not my face. But yeah, this is pretty dope. So one thing that I love about these collabs is just the subtle little details. Like, you know, he always puts messages in the heel tabs. I believe the message is it's not about the shoes, it's about where you're going. So it's split, and then you have his signature right here. Like I said, Nike Air on the back. One shoe has his logo, the other shoe has the Jumpman. The little buttons on the back of the shoe with the logo on it. Also, you can't forget that quilted inliner, which just makes it look so premium, but also makes the shoe kind of run big. Even the insole is quilted, man. Like, even the insole has a premium look and feel to it. It's just, like I said, the quality of these collabs are just amazing. So a quick breakdown of the shoe. As you can see, the whole upper of the shoe is made up of that suede nubuck material. And as you can see, it is in that violet ore colorway, which is like a brownish purple, deep purple. Definitely different, definitely a dope colorway. And as you can see, you have hints of that ash black, which is on the midsole of the shoe, the Nike Air logo, and then the Nike logo on the bottom. Sorry, that was upside down. And then last but not least, the last colorway on this silhouette is that cream, which just blends everything together just so perfectly. And as you can see, you even have it on your undersole. I just find it kind of funny because if you look at the Jordan 3 and you just look at the midsole and you just look at these two colors right here, it's like, oh, that's interesting. It's the Jordan 4. So down below, guys, let me know, do you feel like this was more hype than heat? For me personally, I feel like it's heat, man. It's definitely a pair of heaters. like I said, everything that these companies do together is just, you just get that premium sneaker feel. It's just like premium quality, you know what I mean? And I'll pay for it every time, man. This quilted, man, it just makes you feel royal, you know? I just feel like royalty when I wear these. I'm definitely gonna do an on foot, so stay tuned for that. But we're gonna see the sizing in these and how they fit. Okay, so next thing on the list we're gonna do is talk about sizing. But for me to do that, I'm gonna have to try these on. So enjoy this on foot. Okay guys, so we're back. After that try on session, I have to say sizing on these, it's weird because it still has that quilted material, so it still feels like it kind of runs big, but in here it feels much tighter than it did on the Jordan 3. So for me personally, I got an 8.5. I'm a size 8.5. I feel like go true to size because just walking around, I felt like if I would have went with an 8, if I would have sized down, it probably would have been like too snug. I'm okay with like having, you know, enough room, not so much room like the Jordan 3 in my foot. Well, my heel was like sliding in and out the back, and then I put the insole in and it kind of fit that. But those really did like run big, like go a half size down. But for these, I feel like you actually could get away with your true size, depending on also what socks you wear. I have like thin socks on. I had Tommy Hilfiger socks on. But if you're wearing your typical like dry fit Nike socks, or just you know, it's cold outside, so like those plushy kind of like wool socks, it's definitely, your foot's definitely going to be locked in here. So once again, for sizing, personally for me, I would say go true to size. I don't feel like these really run big. If you want, you can go a size down, but I feel like just in my personal experience by doing the try on and just walking around the crib, I felt like a half a size down would just be too big. Small. I said too big. I meant too small. But moving on. The funny thing is, now that I'm thinking about it, I actually got like 4 pairs of kicks from James Whitner. I got the Jordan 4s, the Jordan 3s, the Air Penny 2s, which is a Social Status and Nike collaboration. This is also James Whitner. Dope pair of sneakers. Did a review on these on my last video. Also, these were gifted to me. So once again, thank you Social Status and James Whitner. Can't forget about these. I know you see that tag right there. Ultra 4Ds, A Ma Maniere, and these were also gifted to me. So once again, thank you, James. Like, honestly, thank you. With all that being said, now we are coming towards the end of the video, guys. Let me know down below, can this still sneaker of the year? There was a lot of things that came out this year, but I felt like a lot of it really wasn't extravagant, other than like the reimagined ones, which, I mean, that alone was just crazy. Like, if you know about the sneakers app just crashing and not letting people get in, I was one of those people, so I never had a chance. And then when you would ship your pair, they had like mold on the collar. It was just terrible. But honestly, beautiful pair of kicks right here. Can this still sneaker of the year? Because last year we all know it was the Jordan 3. That just stole everything. But like I said, a lot of different things came out this year, so I know this is gonna be like a hard battle for this to still the sneaker of the year. But let me know. Let me know down below, guys. Are you feeling these? Did you cop? And if you didn't cop, are you still looking to cop? And like I said, heat or hype? Are they worth the heat? I mean, are they worth the hype? Because like for me, honestly, I feel like they are heat just because of the quality alone. But until next time, guys, it is your boy Xavier Ashton, aka AshtonRoyale, and I'm signing out of here. Peace.